When the MPS program was actually made available, it was a no-brainer. I applied immediately.
The curriculum is very flexible. We don't have required courses. Instead, we have a menu system where students can mix and match which courses are going to fit their interests.
Just the possibilities, the huge possibilities. It really helped me in figuring out what I wanted to do and what I wanted my career to be.
That's the edge that our students will take out with them. Because they have this broad interdisciplinary understanding, a lot of them become managers and supervisors.
So I currently work at General Electric, GE. My role is the Senior Director of Cloud Architecture for GE Cortex. I have a team of about 40 persons. You need to go for it. This program, very huge building block to who I am as a person today, very huge building block to the career that I've been lucky enough to build.